are going to take about a cup of pineapple. Now, I have fresh. You could use crushed. You could use canned. I suggest you get it unsweetened, right, to make it as healthy as possible. We have the juice from 1 lime. And I am using half of an orange and juicing that. Whoop, we don't want the rind in there. So I'm just giving it a good squeeze. That's it. I'm going to blend that. So a little bit of noise. Vitamix is fabulous. No, I don't get paid to say that. I wish I did. I love my Vitamix. I use it almost every single day. We are now going to pour that. I'm only going to pour about half. This is going to make about 2 because I'm going to top it with my sparkling water. I like Waterloo. I'm going to use a pineapple Waterloo. You can use just plain sparkling water if you want, Perrier, mineral water, whatever you like. And we're just going to add that bubbly. Now, I'm going to stir it up. And you're probably like, well, where's the mint? Because it's a mojito. You can use fresh mint. I just didn't have any on hand. And I know sometimes during the year, during the season, it's hard to get. So I want to show you a good tip. You can use essential oil. Now listen up. You have to make sure that it's therapeutic grade essential oil and that you can take it internally. So each oil will tell you whether it's therapeutic grade, whether you can digest it internally, or if it's supposed to be topical only. So I'm using peppermint. It's great for digestion, and a little dab will do ya. So that's why I have the toothpick, and I have just put a drop into my container. All I'm going to do is put my toothpick tip in there, and I'm going to swirl it around, and I'm not kidding. That's all it's going to take to make that so yummy and delicious. Now, if you've got therapeutic grade peppermint oil, it is fantastic to do that exact same thing in your water. It's so good for digestion. It's so refreshing, especially on a hot day. All right, cheers. Oh, yeah. I love pineapple. So good. If you don't like pineapple, you could use mango, right? Mango mojito. Delish.